We've got a new box and someone's already unboxed it, but let's check what's inside. This is the second drop for August 25 from Mini GT and Kaido House.
So let's see, what do we have first? We have a new Bugatti EB110 Super Sport Giorgio Scuro, basically a grey. Next, we have a Mazda AZ1 Liberty Walk LB40. This is a very interesting car. It's from the 2024 Tokyo Auto Salon in white. And I'm going to make a detailed video on this because this one totally deserves it. I can see HKS colors. So this is going to be a Chevy Silverado HKS V1. Next, we have another Kaido House, another NSX. I'm super excited about this one as well. This is called the Honda NSX Kaido Racing V2. We've seen that in different colors and I'm super excited to see how this one looks in the metal. We have one more Liberty Walk. This is the Mazda RX-7 LB Super Silhouette IMSA. And then we have the Aston Martin DBS, the 007 or the James Bond edition. One more Mazda, this time the RX-7 FD3S. And this is from RE Amemia. And one more RX-7. This is going to be the LB Super Silhouette again in the 787B paint job. Super excited about this one as well. So this time we have 4 Mazdas, 1 Bugatti, 1 Aston Martin and 2 Kaido houses. One is the NSX and one is the Silverado. So that's the lineup we have. Which one are you most excited about? I have quite a few from these that I'm super excited about and I'm going to unbox all of these. So make sure you're subscribed to the channels so that you don't miss out on any of the content, and make sure that you share this, like this video with other Mini GT fans out there. Thank you so much for watching this one. Until the next one, take care, drive safe, and happy collecting.